Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little tutorial on how I got this look. So if you want to see how I got it, then just keep on watching. Hey, that was the most unenthusiastic wave ever, but it's cool. So we're gonna start by doing our eyebrows. So here I'm just, brushing back the 3 eyebrow hairs that I have left. And we're gonna move on to filling in our actual eyebrows. So this is kind of ratchet, but I actually use eyeshadow to fill in my eyebrows instead of like an eyebrow pencil because I ran out a while ago and I just never bothered to replace it. But I mean, it gets the job done. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just literally just filling in my eyebrows like normal. To the best part, eyeshadow. So I'm using this orange shade. I'll put it in the screen now. Haha, magic. Just kidding. So I'm putting the orange shade all over my crease basically, and just continue to build it up. So I'm going in with a pink shade now, and I'm just mixing it in with that orange shade, and I go back and forth between the two to then create a coral color basically. And I just keep blending and blending and blending and blending, keep on blending until you get the desired look that you want. Make sure to really focus the color on your crease and also the outer corners of your eyes. Alright, so the blending is done for now, and we're going to move on to basically the trickiest part. So, take a deep breath, make sure you approach this step slowly. So we're going to take the concealer and basically just cut our crease. I find it easier if you follow the natural crease line of your eye, if that makes sense. And yeah, just take your time with it. There's no rush, breathe. If you have to take a breath, it's all good. I'm totally over exaggerating, it's not super hard, but I'm just being extra, But yeah, just keep on doing that. Now you're ready to put in your shimmer shade, so I'm putting that all over my eyelid, basically wherever the concealer is. And note that I don't blend it in with the red because you'll see coming right up in the future, just 1 second, what I do to blend everything in. purple shade that's basically gonna blend everything in. So bam, just like that, all the colors are just gonna come together. And you know how I said the blending wasn't over? This is what I mean. So you have to keep on blending and blending and blending basically until all the colors melt into one another. Time. So you know how I said that like the cutting the crease part was the trickiest part? Eyeliner could also kind of be tricky and also kind of annoying, because if you mess it up then you kind of mess up the whole eye look, but like it's okay, you know. Also follow the steps as before, take a deep breath and then approach slowly and cautiously, and yeah, it'll be fine. Just basically just do your regular eyeliner routine or whatever, and try not to mess it up. Keyword try. And I only put the eyeliner at the ends of my eye. I didn't really bring it all the way into my inner corner. So mascara is pretty straightforward. Just put it at the top and bottom of your lashes and try not to poke yourself in the eye. To foundation. So like usual, I'm using the Fenty and Maybelline foundation combination. That rhymed. But yeah, just put it all over your face. Use whatever foundation you use. Pretty straightforward. Look how dramatically I flip my hair. Why am I like this? I can't. So I'm using the concealer that I used before to basically just conceal my eyes. And I kind of lift up the concealer around the end of my eyes to give me a more elevated look. In a way, kind of. It doesn't make a huge difference, but it's something. Gasp! Is that contour that you see? Your eyes are not fooling you. Yes, I am actually contouring my cheekbones, kind of-ish, for once. Even though I said that I don't really contour, I just decided to switch it up, you know? Show out, special occasion, why not? I put the lighter powder basically wherever the concealer is, and then I use my face powder everywhere else. Now I'm taking my bronzer and just putting it everywhere the contour is. Don't forget blush, so I put that on my cheeks, and I also put some on my nose as well, just a little bit though. Now I guess here I'm highlighting. I don't really remember what highlight I used, but if I do, I'll insert it here. So this step is very important. So you're going to take all three eyeshadows that you used and just put it at the bottom lid basically, and what it does is it just ties in the whole look together. So just do it in the reverse order. So you start with the red, the outer corner, then you go in with the purple, and then you end with the blue in the innermost corner. As you can see, I'm adding mascara to the bottom of my lashes. Again, try not to poke yourself in the eye. It hurts. Trust me. So I put my lashes on off camera again. That's why I awkwardly smiled and waved at the camera for the second time. Now we're going in with our lips. So I'm lining my lips with a brown lip liner. This one was a bit warm, so you'll see me change to another brown lip liner that has more cooler undertones. To finish off the look, I'm going in with my pink lipstick from Fenty, and I'll insert the photo, hopefully, if I remember. Morning! So I wanted to do the cute little montage, you know, that every beauty guru does to showcase the look. So I'm gonna do it. Just let me have it, okay? I was feeling myself. I just wanted to show the world. So just letting you know, cringe warning ahead. Ooh, wow, angles. Ooh, stop. Oh my god, stop. No, stop. Don't gas me, guys. Stop.
Yeah, oh my gosh.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like if you enjoyed. And also comment down below any suggestions or, any feedback or anything like that. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!